Hey there guys, Artistic Nick here, thanks for the click. In today's drawing I'm going to be doing Umbreon from the Pokemon series. As always, I started by freehanding this out and then using a Faber-Castell fine line marker. I used a mixture today of Copic Markers and Winsor & Newton markers. I used a Winsor & Newton marker for the background that I'll be adding later on. So the Copic Markers that I used the Cool Grey 7, I used a Cool Grey 5, I used a black, and I used a crimson for the eyes and a golden yellow for the stripes and the circles that you can see on Umbreon that I'll be getting to slightly later on. For the background, I used a Winsor & Newton Pro marker, and it's a carmine colour, so it's a pinky colour. I just thought that it looked nice and just gave it a slightly different look. So I went for that. This took me about an hour to do from start to finish, so it wasn't a difficult one. Umbreon is an evolution of Eevee, if you know anything about the Pokemon series, and I've done a few of the Eevees. I think I've done Jolteon, Flareon, and Eevee, so check those out if you haven't done so already. I've slowed down the video in this stage here because one of the things that I've noticed when I watch any YouTube videos that are certainly in time-lapse, I don't really get an understanding of exactly how the artist is creating the look and the brush stroke. So I thought I would slow that little bit down there just so that you can see how slow I'm actually going. And as I'm colouring, what I'm tending to do mainly is I'm pulling down towards me with what we call a tapered stroke. This I find that this lays down the ink much better and in a much smoother fashion than scribbling action. So here I go now with the Winsor & Newton marker. So this is the carmine colour, and quite happy with how it looked towards the end. We're getting towards the end of this video, so I just wanted to thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, if you enjoyed this. I am doing requests at the moment, so if you've got any requests, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to get me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. All of the links are in my description below. Thank you so much for watching. There's my final piece. Have a great day. Hit subscribe, smack the notifications button, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.